CX Semi-Automatic Aluminum ROPP Cap Bottle Sealing Machine. Machine is designed for ROPP cap sealing. Automatic operation mode. Semi-automatic operation mode. Jog operation mode, for machine debugging. The height of the bottle tray is adjustable to accommodate bottles of different heights. The bottle tray is adjustable to accommodate square, round or flat bottles of different sizes. Perfect cap sealing system for aluminum ROPP caps. Thank you for your watching, and please feel free to contact us if you need any further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.